Ooh, these look nice. Comes right off. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Looks futuristic. Looks like we're ready to be in the movie Tron or something. Zoop, 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 zoop. All right, welcome back to Me and You Garage. Today we have another video for you. This time it's going to feature our Tesla Model 3. So we were sent these HaloDisc wheel covers by HaloBlk to review and test out. A few years ago we did a review on the originals. I'll have a link to the video up there. And we love the look, but as with a lot of first-gen items, this had some room for improvement. The install was kind of a pain and they were a bit pricey. Plus, they only came in a set of 2, so you had to buy 2 sets for all 4 wheels. And that added up quick. The HaloDisc 2s, the newer improved version, and they're supposed to be easier to install, better designed, and priced better. They come in a set of 4, and they range from around $200 to $300 depending on your wheel size. So we opted for the black. They do come in white and also different designs, but I think this is a nice sleek look. So we've got the accessories box here. Wow, comes with gloves. Fancy. Fancy smancy.
How about me?
Some tape or other. I think this must be the instructions. First step is to clean your wheel and then use this protective tape and tape it along the rim of the wheel.
Still behind.
We've got a very involved assistant here. Quality control at its finest. So after you clean the wheels and apply your protective tape, you will now select your center lock cap based on the compatibility chart. We will be using H1s, our center lock and our cap. So all we've got to do is push and release. Start by twisting it hand tight and then use this guy, fit it in and tighten. So this is our handy dandy emergency quick release tool. Supposedly if you needed to remove it in an emergency quickly, you would just push down here and it comes right off. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Align the HaloDisc center hub with the hub insert. We did that. Insert the center lock cap through the HaloDisc and twist it counterclockwise to secure it into the hub insert. Center lock tool to ensure it's properly tightened. Counterclockwise is where you're going. Make sure you go tighten, 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 tighten. Now we have to use this hex screw and hex key to tighten this. Extra protection, and always have this or one of these in the car in case of an emergency. Clockwise. Wow, looks futuristic. Looks like we're ready to be in the movie Tron or something. Zoop, 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 zoop.
So easy a 5-year-old to do. Put on this cap, like all 4 of them. Then you just gotta get it out.
All right, so that was a super fast and easy install. It was so nice. Even a 5-year-old could do it. So according to HaloBlk, these have been tested to improve highway efficiency by 5 to 10%. Another bonus is that they'll help protect your wheels from curb rash. And the new improved feature of adding the center lock mechanism for easy install and removal has been another major bonus for us. So don't forget to check out HaloBlk. They make a ton of other EV accessories like spoilers and wheel covers. You'll have all their information in the description box down below. Don't forget to rate, comment, like, subscribe. See you in the next one. Ciao.